Facts about eating dogs. Cultural and historical significance. The consumption of dog meat has been practiced in various cultures and regions for thousands of years, with historical evidence dating back to ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs, Romans, and Chinese. In some cultures, dog meat has been traditionally consumed as part of religious rituals, festivals, or for its perceived health benefits. Geographical distribution. The consumption of dog meat is most commonly associated with certain countries in Asia, including China, South Korea, Vietnam, and parts of Southeast Asia. However, it is also practiced in other regions of the world, including parts of Africa, the Arctic, and even historically in Europe and the Americas.